Learn how to create an order from an existing quotation in Probrand. This guide walks you through each step to ensure a smooth and accurate ordering process. Access your account settings by selecting the Account option from the main menu. Navigate to the Quotes section to review your available quotations. Select the specific quote identified by the Probrand quote number and add to basket. Select Proceed to Checkout. Select Delivery Preference. Add your purchase order reference and other order information here. Select Place Order to submit the order. The confirmation screen will confirm the order has been submitted and a unique order reference will be provided.